Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.
Sir, before now, a lot has been said about Kabiyesi as a man of repute and exceptional among his peers. In your own view, sir, what will be your contribution to Oworoshoki Kingdom?
I think you're coming from this side or left side? What side are you coming from?
From the left side.
I think we have the single biggest estate coming in this land by us. So that's we want to be developed and more peaceful.
For Kabiyesi to have crowned you as one of the chieftaincy 2 days ago, what should be our expectation as Oworoshoki's beginning and last chieftains?
To do something good to the town and to make the town more big and more habitable to the world. I'm going to try and do that.
Your wishes for Kabiyesi as celebrate 1 year on the throne?
Peace, progress, peace again, and progress to his kingdom, and long life and prosperity for him and his wife and the kids.
That's the message.
Your name once again.
Message
support my company.
Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.